So welcome back everyone. As you can see, we're out here waiting again. Another race weekend. Actually a little bit different this week. We obviously have all the young birds from the first round, or most of them. My loft and then my dad's loft. And then we also have 4 birds from the top loft on 100k. Just because the basket was full. And then, yeah, the rest are on 200k as well. You'll probably see the 100k arrivals first, and then somewhere in there I'll probably 611 is gonna be first for 200 again. So yeah, you'll see. Conditions are pretty much the same as always. Slight headwind, a very clear weather, and then yeah, can't really get much better. But yeah, stay tuned. That's our first young bird here. Our first 2. Always the grizzle is gonna stay flying for an ages. En de grazen ook, hè? Ja. Smet me. It's one of mine. Ja, ik zeg het toch? One of my grizzle here drops very bad always, for some reason. Ja, jaagt hem er maar af.
Come on, go. Come on, go.
We got a third bird here. It's gonna be an old guy, I think. Or maybe not. Ja, denk het maar. Nope, it's gonna be one of mine. Nee, dat is die van mij. Dat is die van mij, joh. Dat is een 82. It's number 82 or 88. I think here's another one. Gonna be a grizzle. Yeah, it's an old grizzle. Yeah, the light old grizzle. There he goes. So that's one of the old guys. Yeah, that's an old guy again. No. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I think the old guy has already been old guy race has already been finished. Here's another one.
Go.
Young bird. Moet jij gaan lokken pakken? Lokkeren.
Go.
So we're gonna grab a dropper. It's gonna turn here and then. Ja, smet me. There he goes. Another one of mine. Or no, that's my dad's. Dat is een van mij, joh. There he goes. The droppers really do work well for young birds. Here's another one. He's gonna test my white tip on. He should drop nice. Or it's 2 actually. He's paired up to that one hand. Yeah, he drops pretty decent. Go. Might be someone else's bird that just followed the white tip on here. Or not. Yeah, that's someone else's. It's not ours. He's er nog, ja. That was nice. I just turned around and Oh, it's an old guy. Oh, gonna be quite a lot of birds here. Ja, smet me. Yeah, that's an old guy and might be someone else's bird again. Yeah, I think so.
Go. Come on, go.
Dat is van iemand anders, denk ik.
Nee.
Ah.
Kan niet, dat een draad is.
Oh ja.
Go.
So that's one of my dad's. And then that guy's probably someone else's again. Yeah. What is? Oh yeah, that's my grizzle.
Come on, go.
I was expecting him to do better, honestly. One of the nicest looking birds on my loft. Very hungry. But yeah.
Go.
En mensen zeggen dat is mijn dikke zeker, maar toch niet.
Go.
Not tired yet. Ja, smet me. Ja, te laat.
Ja, maar dat lijkt je dat gewoon nog niet maat op mij.
Smet nou, ja. It's one of mine again, yeah. Or no, it's their old guy.
Kom maar naar boven, dat is de vader.
It's actually the father of one of my best young birds here. Probably gonna keep him to breed out of. He's actually 6'11's brother.
Pak naar de dingen, de Ramona. Wim, dat is. Dat is nog een van mij, zo. De Ramona, hè?
So, just got another one home here, my 7th one out of 10. That's my big one there. He usually drops on the right basket. Oh, here's another one. It's one of my dad's. Yeah, he's gonna drop obviously next to it, but yeah, that's one of my dad's here. You have to be on the other, yeah, there. There you go. So everyone's pigeons are arriving quite bad again. Hasn't been good all year for the young birds for whatever reason. But yeah, it looks like they aren't leaving the liberation site as they should. Flying too long, so at least some of them. Some do leave very good, but then makes it hard for the ones that stay behind, you know. But yeah, I don't know what's up with that. This year has been quite bad for stuff like that. So, ja, smet ijs. Hij wil hem nog niet vallen, hè? Smet dat. Ah nee, laat maar. Het staat er zelfs. Ah jawel, nou wel. Dat is een 88 of zoiets, ja. Ja, dat is hem. Ja, dat was de paard. And the young bird is keeping him up. Oh no. I don't think he was the earliest this week. Let's have a look. He's on there. Don't think, yeah, my little hen here kept him up a little bit, unfortunately. But he came out of a totally different direction than he usually does. He usually comes out of that hole right there, and he came right there. So, you know, it's our second one. Yeah, that's 09, I think. He's also a decent bird. But yeah, usually 6'11 is like 5 minutes in front of him, so yeah, he should drop because he's still a prize. Yeah, he will. There he goes. Let's have a look. I will. I will. So yeah, that's 509. Our second best bird. Hey. Nou, staat maar op. Nog een jonk. Ja. Not the best. Dat is geweldig. So we have the results here now. So this one is the 200k for the old birds. As you could see, 611 here still got 22nd place out of 290 pigeons. You could tell he's getting a little bit less motivated, but it's just normal. Gonna be the last, I think this might be the last race we have him in, because they're saying that the last race isn't gonna count for the championship, meaning it's not gonna count for ace bird. Yeah, I'm gonna make a separate video on that, but yeah, they're saying it won't count, so why would we, you know, risk him? And then here the second bird was not too far off, 2 minutes behind. 611 here, 509, a decent bird as well. And then we actually have another guy right here, 491, 90 first place. Not the greatest, but yeah, we do have 3 placings out of 8 birds. And then moving on to the young birds here, pretty big race, 1245 birds, and actually my first bird here again. So the first 3 birds were out of my loft, as you can see. So the third bird is 105 again. That's that same little hen that flew the second place, won at the first race. And then right behind it is, I think that's the little grizzle hen that always keeps flying for no reason. But yeah, these are some rather early birds here, especially when you look at the amount. And then we have my third one here, which is 82, and that's either like 611's son or his brother, I guess. And the little hen here, 105, is also the 611 bloodline. And then we have to wait quite a while, as you could see in the video. Oh, you can't really see because I cut it out, but yeah, I think then my dad got this bird here, 344th place. I think that's my dad's. And then this is mine again. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm really not sure, to be honest. 86 might be my bird. I wouldn't even know which one it is. I would have to check the video, but. And then we actually have the last bird on the sheet here, which is his 3000. That's not mine, that's my dad's. But yeah, 611 here, again, very good placing. You can't win them all, of course, but 22nd place is still very good out of almost 300 birds. Gonna be another good one for the ace pigeon ranking. So yeah, stay tuned here.